Hello friends, hope you're well. In this video, I want to talk about how to apply and acquire a license to operate a home healthcare business in the state of Minnesota. In 2025, it's much easier and much faster than ever to collect all the information you need to get started, all thanks to artificial intelligence. This means that ChatGPT, if you leverage it, you can get all this information very quickly. So let me jump into ChatGPT and I'll show you exactly how I was able to acquire all that information very fast. So as you can see, I'm in ChatGPT now, and all I had to do was enter in a simple prompt. I'm asking for a step-by-step process and associated cost. Maybe I should have asked for a timeline as well. So when you're entering your prompt, ask for 3 things. If you look here, it took only 3 minutes and 13 seconds to gather all this information. Let me show you. Guys, technology is incredible now. And I'm using the free version of ChatGPT, by the way. So if you're in the state of Minnesota, you're a caregiver, nurse, even doctors too, there's no more excuses why you haven't started your home care business due to lack of information. Because as you can see, it took me 3 minutes to acquire everything I need, step by step. So I'm going to put the same prompt in the description of this video so you guys can go to ChatGPT and do the same thing and get all this information. I'm not going to cover everything. I'm not going to go through everything, obviously, for the sake of time. But I want to touch on a couple of things that are important that you should focus on as well. At the top here, they clearly define exactly what kind of license you will get or the type of business you'll be applying for. Let's scroll down a little more. They're talking about getting your LLC, obviously, so you can pay your taxes. But what I want to focus on in this particular case is the cost. The basic cost is $2,100, comprehensive $4,200. If you still have any questions about any of these things, ask ChatGPT to expand on that point. Enter in multiple prompts. You don't have to enter in just one prompt. You can enter in multiple and get as many answers as you want. This is the revolution that we're going through with AI. Things are much faster than ever to get, especially information. Next is Medicare enrollment. Most states will give you the option to bill for Medicare. As you can see, they're asking you if you plan on billing for Medicare, this is exactly what you need to do. Personally, if I'm going to be spending $2,100 or $4,200 for a license, I'm not going to go bill Medicare. If you look at what happened recently with the big beautiful bill, they're capping the payouts. That means it's going to look like the minimum wage. And we all know what happened with the minimum wage. It's still the same for 15 years, despite the cost of living. We have inflation now. The cost of living is crushing. But meanwhile, the minimum wage is still $7.25, whatever it is. I don't even know how much minimum wage is. So that's what's going to happen with Medicare. I don't recommend it. So if you want to go the Medicare billing route, go ahead at your own risk. I recommend going the private pay route, where you're looking for wealthy clients that will pay you for the services that you have to offer. Stick around to the end of this video so you learn exactly how that's done. Next are what are called policy and procedures. Every time you have to submit an application, they require you to submit policy and procedures. These are just a series of documents that you have to compile, put all together, and present to the state that your agency is compliant. Most of the time, people get demoralized, overwhelmed at that stage. But you don't have to worry because I have a solution for this. Here's the good news for you guys. I've already created these home healthcare policy and procedure templates that you can download, fill out, and then submit to the state. These will save you so much time, guys. The time and effort that it takes you to figure out what policy to put all together, you can come and purchase these policies from me. Now, the other thing I've noticed is once people purchase these policies, they have submitted the application, they get their license, then they get stuck. They don't know how to make the money. What's the point of getting a license if you don't know how to make money? This is why when you purchase my policies, you get automatically enrolled in my sales training program. I focus on where the money is, not Medicare and Medicaid, because Medicare and Medicaid is going to go broke. I focus on the millionaire clients that have all the money, guys. They require certain standards. So this sales training program is a sales script that I'll give you where I'll be pretending to be the wealthy client and you're going to be trying to sell me on the services that you have to offer. So that when you get into the real world out there, you're not nervous, you're not fumbling words, You're not confused about exactly how to articulate your value to these millionaire clients so that you can command the rates that you deserve. You see right here, you learn how to convert clients into paying customers over the phone and in person. You'll learn how to negotiate the rates that you deserve, especially with the economy, the way it's looking, inflation and whatnot. You need to know how to ask for the money that you deserve. A lot of you guys are really good caregivers, but you just suck at negotiating salary. So these are multiple sessions that we'll have back and forth. Not only that, filling out forms is a headache. Every time I travel, especially when I travel to different countries, they still have these like forms you got to fill out. Who does that? Especially here in Africa, they do that all the time. Even like when you go to DMV, filling out forms suck. I hate it. Any kind of government forms, I hate it. And I know so do you. But thanks to AI, there are tools now. I went to this website right here called, there's an AI for that. And I just searched for form fill. It recommended an AI tool called InstaFill. And I think it's great. And I'll recommend you guys to consider using this for your policy and procedures. So when you purchase my policies, you download them, you can start using this AI tool here that allows for you to fill out PDF forms and documents. It's amazing. Before, I used to recommend people go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, find somebody, a virtual assistant, whatever, give them your forms, let them fill them out. And you have to pay them a fee, of course. But now because of AI, you don't have to do that. You're going to save time and money. Who doesn't want to save time and money? So I'm just going to play a couple of seconds of this video so you can kind of see exactly how it works. And I will put a link to this tool in the description of this video, as well as the templates that you'll purchase, so that everything is in one packet. So let's play a couple of seconds here.
Welcome to InstaFill, the leading AI form filler that completes PDFs in seconds, not hours. With InstaFill, you can fill out any PDF form in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Upload any PDF to InstaFill. Step 2. Provide the information needed to fill out this form. InstaFill uses the latest reasoning AI models to extract data from a wide range of sources: texts, documents, partially filled PDFs, CSV files, images, and scans. It easily handles even unstructured input and populates each field with speed and precision.
Isn't that amazing? I mean, we're not going to watch the whole thing. Technology has come this far. I'll put a link to that tool in the description, also in these templates that you can purchase. Again, once you purchase them, you're automatically enrolled into my training program. It's a mentorship program because I want you to get to the money as quickly as possible. Why are you submitting an application if you're not ready to make the money? So I'll show you how to make the money. So I hope you got some value in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.